This 2010 racing season. So 2 more races to go. It's tonight's main event. The Reifenberg Dirt Carpet Block Modified Main up next. After it is done, we'll go tonight's sportsmanship. We've got our Reifenberg pre-race ceremony with the Reifenberg Climbers assembling down here in front. At the special treat as we do every year, Rich Miller is with us. For the live singing of God Bless America. That's coming up next year at Malvern Trackside. We'll get to our number 2150 raffle drawing. We'll have the live singing of our national anthem. Jessica Reifenberg will be in to do the live singing of our national anthem. And we'll get to the strategic this evening. Reifenberg Construction, Dirt Carpet Block feature. That's what we are. Victor Lane concludes down here in front. Rolls off. And we get ready to go to the number 2150 raffle drawing. I can be ready with that and go with that next. All right, John, I'm down here for the Drivers Point Fund 50.